We are very happy to announce that we went live today in a crowdfunding round with StartEngine. What does that mean? That means, in true to Flip fashion, the way we do everything, we empower everyone to preserve, protect, and grow wealth. We've had a lot of requests over the last couple of years for the average person to be able to not just use the Flip software as an investing tool, but to actually invest in the company itself. While we've raised plenty of capital, that's in a Reg D world where you need to be accredited, you got to read a PPM. There's a lot to it. So what we've done is we've partnered with StartEngine. We've become one of their offerings, and we've built it into a Reg CF. So that means anybody over the age of 18, not living in Iran or North Korea or Canada, unfortunately, can invest in little bits and pieces inside for the company. What does that mean? That means for as little as $500, you can actually own a piece of iFlip. Now, we are under a mad race right now. The way StartEngine works, they have hundreds of thousands of investors. Well, another reason why we decided to do this is these investors are also perfectly tailored to be our customers. So what better way to market than go out and show this to all those folks? Here's the catch. StartEngine needs us to get 100 investors on our own accord before we go out and start promoting it, or before they go out and start promoting it to their network of hundreds of thousands. The rule is this: they want us to get 100 investors on our own in the first, I think it's 24 or 48 hours. Right now we're in the 60s. We just started a few hours ago, and we've already got 60 investors. Now we're trying to finish that up. So everybody on this call, you're going to get the opportunity. So if somebody in the general chat would be so kind as to put the link, the StartEngine link in there. I tried to put it in there. There it is.
It's in there.
So that link right there, don't run away. We got the AI circle. You don't need to leave right now. It's not that urgent. What we want you guys to be able to do is go through that. There's a cool video on there that we made. There's a bunch of information about the company. You can literally look under the hood at who iFlip is and what iFlip does, even at the literally under the hood level. So I wanted to come on tonight and share that with all of you. I didn't want to steal Kelly's thunder and step on markets and what's going on there. They got an awesome trivia question tonight too, but I want all of you to have the opportunity. So either copy that link, paste it, click on it, go away on your other browser while this is still running, and make sure you save it so that after we're done with this, we would greatly appreciate all of you. Now, you can invest as much as you want, up to $1 million. However, you can invest as little as 500. And so that's my big announcement. Super excited, Aaron, Kelly, Lee. I see people that are on here. Really happy to get this thing going, and looking forward to seeing all of you down the road. Aaron, back to you.
Thanks, Randy. Now, I did put it's right above my head, right here. I did put a QR code for those of you on desktop that you can just scan that. If you're on your phone, well, you need your phone to scan the thing, so you bet that probably won't make as much sense. But those of you watching on desktop, on your computer monitors, feel free to whip out your phone right now and scan that QR code. It is on the top left of the screen, I believe. It's above my head. While you guys submit your questions into the chat, there are a couple of housekeeping items that we've already seen from the dozens and dozens of investors that have been involved and have taken advantage of this offering. A lot of people have thought that StartEngine was just like an extension of iFlip or something like that. And that's not the case. It's a separate entity. Like, it's just a crowdfunding platform. So it's not your iFlip credentials. It is not your iFlip username and password. You have to create a separate account with StartEngine. Now, I personally like to use the convenience of Apple sign-in, Facebook sign-in, or Google sign-in. So you would have to create an account if you don't already have one. Just clicking login doesn't isn't intuitive. So you would have to create an account using either your Gmail, your Facebook email, or your Apple email, and then you're ready to take advantage of the offer. Okay, so that was just a little bit of housekeeping there.